I'm Devnandini KP from 7th A Amrita Vidyalayam Talsheri. Today I'm here before you to share a few thoughts about the values in life. Values are the basic beliefs or principles that determine our attitudes and actions in life. They guide us about what's right and wrong, gives us clear goals, and tells us how we should handle a particular situation and helps in our growth and development. The main values in life are honesty, integrity, courage, respect, gratitude, love, kindness, patience, justice, etc.
The value of brotherhood encapsulates respect, tolerance, and total dedication. The epitome of brotherhood in Puranas is of Lord Rama and Bharata. When Bharata came to know about Lord Rama's Vanavas, he could not bear the fact that because of him, Ayodhya would lose the good fortune of having Sri Rama as their king. Bharata approached Sri Rama and pleaded to come back. But as we all know, Rama didn't go back since he had to keep his promise to his father. So, Bharata agreed to rule Ayodhya as Rama's emissary. He placed Rama's Patukas on the throne and ruled Ayodhya on his brother's behalf. All the time Sri Rama remained in the Vanavas, Bharata also led a simple life without indulging in royal luxuries. He even slept in a rectangular pit dug a few feet below the ground, telling that he would always remain at a level lower than his beloved brother Sri Rama. Such was the love and respect between them.
Now Shreya, today I am going to tell a speech about values of life. Major values of life are not money and power, rather it's culture and education which originally enable ourselves to be worth for the world. Culture is acquired from value-based education both at home and school from very small age. The greatest values of life are honesty and integrity, no matter whatever you do. Righteousness or dharma is defined as doing that to others when we do for ourselves will provide pleasure to us. We need to adopt dharma in our thoughts, words and deeds and try not to surrender our intelligence to anyone except God. We should learn to be independent as much as possible and do good to society. We should have compassion to all fellow beings around us. We should not misuse politics or religion or anything for personal gains for any kind. Values are like fingerprints. We leave them all over in our path of life. Thank you.